my name is Marika Constable, and I work for the preparatory program at ÚJOP Poděbrady. And you can see that the gentleman who joined me for this little chat is Hisanori, coming from all the way from Japan. And he is not only ÚJOP Poděbrady student, but he's also my student because I'm his class teacher. So we know each other quite well. And I would like to ask Hisanori a couple of questions about the reasons why he is with us. Before I ask that, I would like to basically introduce our program a little bit. The preparatory program aims at preparing our students for medical studies at Czech universities, but in English programs. Hence, the program is all in English. We do teach technical subjects as biology, chemistry, and physics, which are obviously the main subjects to be taught, but also we pay quite lots of attention to the Czech language, because Czech language is very important for our students to actually take their studies forward, even though they study primarily in English program. And also we pay lots of attention to medical English and medical ethics, and also to Latin. And we also pride ourselves on preparing our students for life in the Czech Republic, not only for their immediate studies. So, Hisanori, if I can ask you, please, would you share with our viewers why you chose Czech Republic and ÚJOP Poděbrady as the place to prepare you for your future studies?
Like I wanted to learn the medicine, and also I wanted to put myself in the new situation, different situation. So this preparatory school has a lot of university and international students, so I can learn from them a lot of things. And of course they have their mother tongue, so of course I learned new languages, and also I at the same time I can learn their cultures and a lot of things I can learn. So this is, I would say, it's a great situation to learn the new things. So yeah, that's the main reason why I chose this preparatory school.
Okay, and how did you find our course and adaptation into Czech Republic? Did you find it difficult, easy, completely strange?
Yeah,
What do
yeah.
you think
No,
about it?
the first time I came here, I knew few Czech words, so I was not able to communicate with the local people in Czech. So it was really difficult for me to learn the new things, Czech languages, especially Czech language is really different from my mother tongue, Japanese. So and also English. So it's I'm also still struggling to learn the Czech languages, but this preparatory school gave the really helpful and useful lectures, and I can learn not only the Czech languages but also this country's cultures, and then a lot of things I can learn during classes. So it's a great situation to learn the new things. So yeah, I'm really satisfied with this situation and this preparatory school.
Okay, and because as we all know, you still came kind of close to the situation we were all picking ourselves up from, being struck by the changes due to COVID. And
Yeah.
some of your lectures are still kind of held online, biology, for example. Could you tell us, is it difficult for you to deal with that situation, or you find it quite helpful to actually still have a little bit of hybrid tuition? Not only in-person classes?
I would say the hybrid education system is good, and but I would say in my opinion the language classes I would say should be held in person, because any languages are communication too, so we have to use actively, we have to use the spontaneous I don't know, voluntarily. So yeah, if I communicate with the teachers and the classmates, it's gonna be very great situation, and so it's gonna be more enjoyable. So yeah, I would say the kind of language classes are should be held in person. Yeah.
Which is good, because they are, and we meet in class actually on regular basis. So
Yeah.
does Ms. Krebsová with Czech, and your Latin language obviously is also kind of being pushed forward. So now tell me, if you were trying to think of anything you would say to future students, because you have basically the whole full year, almost the full year behind you at the moment, and you've experienced the highs and lows and the exams and the, you know, the anticipation of entrance exam, which is basically right in front of you. Tell me, would that be something you would tell those students to encourage them to come or to encourage them to study? What your message would be for them?
Before I came here, Czech Republic, I had never learned and studied physics. So physics is the first major subject for me. So I have to study. I have to study a lot, and also I'm struggling to learn the physics. But even though like you don't know and physics this subject in detail, but if you attend and keep attending the classes and keep up and with the lectures, the teachers' lectures, you can know the physics like this. Not only physics, of course, if you have the if you don't know any subjects deeply, you can know and from the lectures. So if you keep attending the classes, you can know the deeply, and also you can solve any problem, any questions. So it's gonna be really fine. So you just of course not only the subject, you can know a lot of things from the classes, lectures. So it's a great thing. And if you wanna learn, and if you wanna put yourself in the kind of new situation, I would say this preparatory school is great. So,
Okay.
yeah.
Well, thank you so much for sharing your thoughts with me and with our viewers. And one last thing, what do you think about Podbrady? Coming from Tokyo, I hope that's not a
Yeah,
information you want
it's
to keep away. It's slightly different place.
yeah.
Can you tell us your thoughts about Podbrady?
Yeah, it's a really different places, and also atmosphere is totally different. But since when I came here, I didn't know the Czech at all. But when I tried to say something in Czech, local people tried to understand what I was trying to say. So I would say it's a great situation, and it's this situation it's also motivate me. So yeah, this place also I like this place, and yeah, I can learn a lot of things. Yeah, I would.
Hisanori, thank you so much for your time. We love having you, I have to say. And thank you for actually sharing your thoughts with our future students. I really appreciate it. And hopefully our viewers will appreciate your thoughts too. Thank you so much. Bye-bye.
Thank you.